In today's video, we're gonna show how easy it is to turn this to this. For the rear doors, start by removing the door panels. This will make it easier to mount the window tint on the whole window. Use glass cleaner and a razor blade to ensure the window is completely free from dust, dirt and grease. Make sure the windows is wet before using the blade so it glides smoothly on the glass. Then dry it off with a microfiber cloth. The kit includes a scraper, razor blade, pre-cut window tint for 5 windows, the boot and the rear doors. I will add a link to the product in the description. First, place the window tint on the outside of the car to adjust and ensure it fits perfectly. Spray soapy water on the window to temporarily hold the window tint in place. Use the scraper included in the package to carefully press out any air bubbles or liquid under the window tint. Remove the protective film from the window tint and carefully apply it to the wet window. Start from the top and work your way down. Use this soapy water to adjust the film to the perfect position. Next, spray a generous amount of soapy water inside of the windows. This acts as a lubricant which makes it easier to adjust the position of the window tint. Don't forget, if you like this type of Volvo content, please subscribe. The same as you did on the outside, now you do it on the inside. Be careful and patient during this step to avoid the wrinkles and bubbles. Move the scraper evenly and gently from the center towards the edges. On this model, the window is almost completely flat, so it's easy to make it fit. Other models like the V70 has curved glass, so you need to use a heat gun or a hairdryer to adjust the fit. We will show you more about that on the back window later in this video. So now it's done. You can clearly see the difference between the tinted or not. Huge difference. So now we're just gonna do the rest of the windows and show you the result afterwards. Here on the back window, we gently heat the film to remove these creases and eliminate the remaining air and water. Oh, that's so f***ing hard. We gently heat the film to smooth the creases and to remove the remaining air and water. Perform a final inspection to ensure that no bubbles and wrinkles are left. Now are all the windows done and it looks super nice. And if you want to try this, check out the link in the description to Vparts.se. Don't forget to subscribe for more Volvo content.